On my hand here I have the Wacaco Nanopresso. It's basically a portable espresso maker machine. So if you are searching for that kind of product that allows you to drink your coffee wherever you want, whenever you want, stay tuned after the intro. Hi everyone, Marcus here from MadPack, where we unpack your next product. And hey, if it's your first time here, we only talk about technology, cool stuff, and also electric skateboards. So if you like this type of content, consider subscribing. So for a long time that I was searching for a solution where I can drink my espresso wherever I want, whenever I want. And Wacaco sent me the Nanopresso. Is the new version of the Minipresso and all the line that you can buy with this machine. So if you want to know everything about this, definitely subscribe to this channel because I'm going to review all of them in depth in the next weeks. So let's open the machine and see how it looks from the inside. So inside this box here, what you are going to find this little bag, but in my case they sent me the big version of this protected case, so much better than obviously this one. You are going to find your espresso cup, the water tank, the scoop, a brush, the main body. Okay, this was not supposed to happen. Your manual, your warranty, 2 stickers, your filter basket, your portafilter, and the filter that have the name of nozzle. So now that you saw all the parts of this machine, I'm going to assemble everything. I'm going to show you how you can take an espresso, and also we are going to talk about the build quality of this one. So before I show you how to take a good espresso with the Nanopresso from Wacaco, I just want to tell you guys that I have a discount code that Wacaco gave to me, but they don't give me the authorization to say during the video or to put in the description below. So how it works, if you decided that this product is for you or any of these products is for you, you just have to send me a private message, a DM on Instagram, and I'll send you the discount code for you. But let's do the coffee because that's the main reason that we are here today. So I have here my scoop. Let's open this part here. Here is where you are going to put your coffee. Italian coffee. Oh. The scoop here have 8 grams of coffee, pure coffee from Italy, and the only thing that you have to do is you turn the filter, you turn upside down, you shake it, at least is the way that I do. In this moment is when you start noticing that they thought in everything, so you have these little parts in plastic that don't allow the scoop to go inside the filter, so it stays in place, it doesn't go anywhere. And when you finish to do this, after you just have to press with the back part, and you press really well, at least I like in that way. You take all the beans that you have around that you don't want and you put aside. So if we was doing what Wacaco says on the manual, now you was just going to warm some water and that's it. After you just have to press the pump and it comes out your coffee. But the coffee will come, for me at least, too cold. So I want a very warm coffee. So I'm going just to warm some water in my kitchen. I will come back here and I will show you what you have to do. And here I have the boiling water inside my kettle from Xiaomi. It's a smart kettle. If you want to see a review of this one, let me know in the comments below. So what you have to do first of all, you are going to put the boiling water on the cup where you are going to put your coffee. And why? Because you want everything warm. So in the beginning, when I started doing some coffees with this, the water was not warm enough, at least for my taste. You just need the cup. Inside the cup you have a line and you have to put water maximum until there. But even if you put water until the line, if you want a good espresso, you are not going to use all that water, otherwise the coffee will not be thick. I like a thick coffee to feel on your mouth. What you have here I think is 80 milliliters of water that you put there, but you are going to use a bit more than half. When you put the water there, you are going to close it once again, like you was going to do a coffee. So you close everything, but without putting the filter with your coffee. The cup is getting warm, so you start pumping till the water comes out. So in that way you are making all the body of the machine warm, okay? So that is the main objective. So in the end of the day, when you are starting to do your coffee, the coffee will be completely warm. So you do this until all the water is out. The machine is all warmed, I can feel it on my hand. So now we are going to put the coffee next to this area here. Forget the water on the table after I clean. You close it. The water that you have on your cup, you are going to take away. Like I ask you guys, with sugar or without sugar? Let me know in the comments below. So let's continue. The coffee is already inside. The machine is warm. The cup is warm. I'm going to put the water here. We are going to close. You turn and you start to pump. So when you start to pump this, you will start to feel some resistance, and is the water passing through the coffee. Hear this. Look how cool it looks, this coffee. It looks amazing. Sorry guys, the ones that likes to drink coffee without sugar, I'm not that person, but like this. The coffee feels really hot on your mouth. It's the only way. Since I started doing this, the coffee tastes so well. I'm so impressed with this one. So what to expect from this coffee? And I have to tell you guys that the coffee tastes amazing, and this machine do a very, very good job if you take the steps that I show you guys. And one of the things that I notice, if you want to use the cup, you have to take the cup before you start putting water. Otherwise, the plastic expands when you put the hot water there, and after you struggle more. It comes out, but you struggle more to take out the cup. So first thing that I recommend to do is that. The second thing is don't put all the water inside, otherwise the coffee, it will have too much water, so it will not taste like an espresso. So it will be very, very short, and that's why I'm really curious to use the Kit Barista. If you do all these steps, the water will be warm. If you just put the water and you try to take out the coffee, it will not be warm enough. So it's up to you, but if you want a good experience taking a good espresso with this one, you have to do this. And do I recommend this one? Oh yes, 100%. I love this, and every single time that I take a coffee is a pleasure. I love to see the coffee coming out from this. It seems like magic, and every single time that I use at work, even if they have already saw this, they love to see it because it's quite different. So let me know in the comments below what you think about the Wacaco Nanopresso. So the only thing that I don't like so much is when you finish to do your coffee, you have to use a spoon to take it out. So that is the only con that I found on this machine, at least with this configuration, because I have there another one that you don't need to do this. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you don't have subscribed until now. Share this video with your family and friends, comment below, smash the thumbs up, and like I said in all my videos, but now with the coffee in my hand, I see you in the next one. So good.